In the franchise industry, is managing multiple locations and field tasks becoming too complex? Centralized mapping can streamline operations and improve oversight, track everything easily in MAPOG. Start by opening story.mapog.com. Create a new map using the Store Mapper template. Add a clear title and short description so your team understands its purpose. Enable task management to make it a live operations dashboard. Click Create to save the map. Upload your company logo using Replace. Branding keeps your map professional when sharing with teams or clients. Next, configure the action button in map settings. Add your website link and phone number. This allows users to instantly open your website or make a call directly from the map, improving accessibility and usability. Open Process Custom Locations and select Add by uploading CSV/Excel for bulk upload saves time and keeps data as structured. Create a new custom location template from Select Custom Location Template Setting option. Give it a clear name, choose a color, and set the geometry type to point because each franchise has an exact physical location. Add structured attributes such as franchise name, city, store type, performance status, inventory level, and other relevant fields. Use text, select, or multi-select field types depending on the data. This ensures standardized information across all locations and allows filtering later for insights. After saving, select the template from the drop-down and upload your Excel file. If you already have a unique ID for each store, match it to maintain sync accuracy, or use auto-generate ID. And match each Excel column to the correct attribute. Assign latitude and longitude fields correctly so stores appear precisely on the map. Once submitted, all franchise locations automatically display as points. You can enhance each location further by uploading store images, adding descriptions, and updating details using Edit Custom Location Details. This keeps every franchise fully documented within the map. To improve visual clarity, open Custom Location Settings and add Layer Style. Choose Category Styling and select attributes like franchise type or performance status. Assign different icons, colors, and marker sizes. This makes it easy to instantly identify high-performing stores or locations that need attention. To manage operations, select any location and click Add Tasks. Enter the task title, description, due date, deal value, status, and priority. Choose an existing task type or create a new one through Task Type Management. Just write the name and save it. Task types help standardize processes such as audits, reporting, or inventory checks across all franchises. Assigning a team member, the system redirects you to the completion form builder. This ensures quality verification and compliance tracking. Add structured fields like text inputs, drop-down selections, or image uploads to capture proof of work. Mark mandatory fields as required so tasks cannot be closed without proper validation. Assign the team member from drop-down, or you can also add new team members by entering their email and assigning roles, such as admin or others. Then, enable progress tracking if needed, allow location edits when required, and save the task. Multiple tasks can be added to each location, and custom questions can be attached to task types for consistent reporting across all franchises. Once tasks are assigned, assignees receive them instantly in the MAPOG contributor app. They can update status in real time, add comments, and upload before and after images. Before closing a task, they must complete the structured completion form, ensuring accountability and proper validation. All progress updates appear live in the Task Management section of the dashboard. Managers can filter tasks by status, priority, or assignee and monitor everything without constant follow-ups. Finally, use Preview and Share to publish your map. Generate a shareable or embeddable link so teams and using ad user clients can access real-time updates anytime. With MAPOG, franchise mapping, structured data management, and live task tracking come together in one centralized visual platform, helping businesses operate smarter, faster, and with full transparency. For assistance with franchise mapping, task management, or custom location setup, reach out anytime at support@mapog.com.